So guys, welcome to my channel Tech ERV. Guys, today I'm going to unbox this boAt 1400 Bluetooth speaker I have recently bought from Amazon. And guys, I am going to give you the honest review. I have used this box, but anyways, I am going to help you what comes inside this box. And about this boAt speaker which I have recently bought, it has a dynamic 30-watt powerful sound. Also it has a good battery backup, guys. Believe me, it gives you a good battery backup, which is up to 5 hours, guys, you can say, but company promised us like they gave us up to 7 hours. So it has inbuilt 2500 it has inbuilt 2500 mAh battery, and it supports a true wireless connectivity, guys, so you can connect two boAt 1400 speaker at the same time. Alright, and also guys, want to inform you that it supports aux USB compatibility, and the Bluetooth version which this boAt has given us, which has a wireless Bluetooth experience version 4.2. And the good thing about this is it has IPX5 water resistant poolside joy. So guys, you don't have to worry if you're going to do the party or like nearby the pool, or you have a party at home. So guys, I believe you are going to enjoy the sound which has. It is really amazing, guys. It has a pitch perfect with 2 equalizer modes. And one more thing, good option is, guys, you might be aware about the today generation, you people might be getting type C port charging, so you'll be getting this benefit, guys, which supports very quick charge. So if you have any kind of 30 watts chargers, guys, like OnePlus has and other phones might be, so guys, you can connect this charger and you'll be getting the battery is going to charge as soon as possible. It has also easy access integrated controls. So I'm going to open this box and I'll show you what exactly comes in the box. So guys, yeah, this is the box which you can carry, guys, but it's very heavy, would say. And yeah, so I'll just open the box and what comes inside the box. So guys, you will be getting this kind of manuals which are the instructions how to use the boAt speaker. And also guys, you will be getting this boAt box. I'll just have a look what comes inside it. I'll just tell you guys, I believe it will be a USB kind of yeah, so this is how it is. This is a USB cable given to you. It's a type C, so you don't have to worry about like to buy a new type C port, and it is very easy to carry, guys. So if you have any kind of charger with the USB port, so guys, you can just connect the charger and you can go ahead and charge it. And what else comes inside the box, there is one more wire which is 3.5 mm jack. I'll just show you guys. Yeah, so this is how it is. So it is very good, guys. About the quality of the wire, it is good, and also about the quality of this USB, it is a bit better than this 3.5 mm jack. So I'll just keep this aside. Yeah, I'll just get this out, the big boAt. Yeah, this is how it looks. Also guys, information wanted to give you, there are number of 2 things you'll be getting, guys. This is the warranty card which you will be getting, which says 1 year of warranty from boAt itself, and this is what you'll be getting, this kind of a stickers inside this. So I'll just keep aside and I'll show you how the speaker sounds. So guys, I will give you the quick overview about this boAt 1400. So over here it has a logo, guys, which says boAt, and if you come above, guys, this will be 3 LEDs given to you. I will show you and the system. Yeah, this is the microphone, guys. If you receive any call, you can just talk. These are the 3 LEDs given to you, which says about the battery indicator. And about this, guys, this will be a kind of a Bluetooth connectivity kind of thing, guys. So if you are connected with this Bluetooth 1400, you'll able to see the light popping up over here, guys. This is the main power button. You'll be getting this volume low button, and this is the play and pause button. Also you'll be getting a volume increase button, and this is the main secret, guys. This is kind of a equalizer they have given us. There are number of 2 inputs, wherein if you are traveling outdoor, so guys, it has an option outdoor mode and indoor mode. So definitely I'll guys show you how it works. So you can see, guys, the speaker shines good. And coming back to the side one, guys, I think you can see, guys, this is the one which you will be getting. This is the speaker which boAt has given a kind of a woofer at the both side. Yeah, and about the weight guys, it is a little bit at a heavier side. Also guys, you'll be getting a belt kind of thing, so it will be easy for you to carry. Okay, this is how it looks guys. So I'll just play guys the song for you, and you will be able to understand how good it sounds guys. So I'm going to connect my phone, which I have is Poco F1. So I'm going to start. Yeah, so I have done the power button on. So as you can see, there are number of 3 indicators which have been popped up guys, but my battery is currently low. You can see guys, over here it has showed you this is the one indicator white, and this is the blue one. This is the blue one which tries to connect to the Bluetooth. So I'm going to connect it guys, and I'll show you how does it sound. So guys, you can see I have already connected my Poco F1, and I'm going to play a song guys. Just give me a second. So this the volume which I have done is full guys, and I am going to play the boAt speaker on full volume. So guys, you might have an idea guys how does it sound. If you want to know how the bass and everything about the vocal guys, if you want to listen to that guys, I believe you should wear the headphones, so you'll able to understand how good it sounds. I would give you the honest review guys. This is a very beautiful speaker. I also have the JBL speaker. Okay, this is the charge guys, a JBL charge. It's now 4 years I have bought this speaker, but if you compare this guys, it's in front of this JBL. I believe boAt is the winner. So I don't want to compare, things have been upgraded guys. So just wanted to inform you about this guys, but wanted to also inform you about this boAt. It is very beautiful. It's been 1 month I have purchased this boAt speaker, and I'm using since 1 month. Believe me guys, it's wonderful. The sound output which you have, it's really appreciate. If you want guys, I can just play more songs for you, and also want to inform you about this equalize, and I'll show you the difference. How does it makes sense guys. Like if we are playing the song, you'll be able to understand. If you're going to wear the headphones guys, I request you to wear the headphones, so you'll be able to understand how good it is. So I'm going to play the song which is in indoor mode. So this is how it plays. So guys, this was for the indoor mode, and I'm again going to play the song, but this will be in the outdoor mode. So you can listen when I press this button. So it says
outdoor mode.
Yeah, so you might have heard the voice guys, it's saying outdoor mode. Now we are going to know how it plays in the outdoor mode. So guys, you might have an idea guys how does it sound. Indoor mode is good for guys if you are planning to listen in indoor mode guys. Outdoor mode has a good vocal and it has a good bass as well. Also in indoor mode, I am not denying guys it has lesser bass, but I believe guys you'll able to understand more if you like wear the headphones. If you're planning to upgrade guys from the previous version of boAt, so definitely you should like buy this. And the price which I have bought this boAt 1400, it was for 5000 rupees guys. So guys, I have already linked the Amazon yeah, so guys, I have already pasted the link is in the description, and you can go ahead and guys just buy it. So guys, let me know how you feel about my review guys, and please subscribe to my channel, and definitely I'm going to come up with a new video. So guys, please subscribe to my channel Tech ARV. Thank you very much and have a lovely day guys.